everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my Guyanese style dal. To get started, I have some split peas that I've been soaking overnight, as well as some onions, garlic, some more garlic, and some whole geera, better known as cumin. I have some scallions, some chili peppers, as well as green seasoning. I have mushroom seasoning, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper. I have some curry powder, turmeric, and some roasted ground geera. Let's jump into the recipe. To a large pot of boiling water, I will now add my split peas as well as all of the rest of my ingredients except the whole garlic and the whole geera. We'll save that for last. We'll mix really well and we will allow this to boil until our split peas are nice and tender to where it is mushy. Now please be reminded that everyone cooks different and this is my way of cooking dal. Some people would just add salt to their dal. They don't add seasonings like cubes and all that stuff, but that's your way. I personally do not cook with salt unless I have to. That's when I'm baking. So I use seasonings that adds the flavor and the taste to my food, and this is my way, but feel free to do it the way that you like. Now once the split peas is dissolved and it kind of looks like a sauce or a soup, that's exactly what we're looking for. Now if you like your dal chunky, you could actually leave it this way, but I like my dal to be nice and smooth. So I like to go in with my immersion blender or hand blender, and I like to blend everything until it's nice and smooth in texture. And what I do is top it off with some fresh green onions because that's what I like in my dal. And we will go ahead and chunkate the dal. That's the last step. To chunkate the dal, you will need to add some oil into a small frying pan, or if you have metal ladle, you can add it into your ladle. So we'll add the oil, then we'll add our garlic and our whole geera or cumin, and we'll allow this to toast until it is nice and brown. Once the garlic is nice and brown and the geera becomes fragrant, we will dump it into our dal, give it a good stir, and that's it, guys. The dal is done. It's super quick, easy, and simple, and absolutely delicious. It can be eaten with a variety of different things, or it can be eaten as a soup. So I did pair this up with some parboiled rice, edda leaf callaloo, and fried fish. And if you are Guyanese, you know this one hits. It is so delicious. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and bye bye.